How's it, everyone? It's Florence here. I got a comment, thank you so much, asking about home workouts or home workout plans. It's a very interesting topic because I do a lot of home workouts and I actually enjoy doing home workouts. It's for me, I don't know, it's something different. Where it started for me was actually a couple years ago. I worked for a company. This company decided to relocate me to Durban for a while, and at that moment I was training in this big gym. It had everything you can think of. It had a boxing ring, it had a running track, there was everything you can think of, and it went from that fancy gym to working out in a basement garage type of setup. And the reason was that time the closest gym was an hour and a half away. So I needed to think of how I can still work out and stay consistent with my training without just dropping it. So a lot of people, when they start or when they consider working out, or if it's a goal that they're chasing, or if it's, losing weight, building muscle, all of that, they've got a certain goal in mind. The first thing they think of is, okay, I need to join a gym or get a gym membership because I'll need to join that type of place to start training. And I think that's where people miss things. When you start any goal or workout, you need to remember that it's going to be it's new habits that you need to add. It's something that you need to fit into your routine, and that can get tough because now what people miss is they miss the fact that they still need to travel to gym, train, and then travel back. And that's the biggest part of everything that they're missing. So I always say this, I helped a few people with training at home, and I always say this, start at home. Because if you can start at home and you can work consistently on your home workouts, then after that, adding or going to a gym will be easier, because then you already put out time for a home workout. Now you just need to put in the time to get there and get back. So home workouts has got a lot of benefit. Sometimes my